When you walk away from your old patterns, the enemy tries to whisper, "Who do you think you are? You're still that broken girl. Nothing's really changed." But here's the truth. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 17, "If anyone is in Christ, she is a new creation." You're not just a better version of your old self. You're reborn. And when your identity is rebuilt in Christ, your boundaries change. Your voice gains authority. Your prayers shift the atmosphere. You lose friends, but gain clarity. And you no longer crave what once controlled you.